Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Kia Rio S hatch, stock reference number 5658. This shape runs from the 8th month 2011 through to the 11th month 2016. It has a G4FA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. G4FA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left power door mirror does have some scratches. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate has one small dent. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door has no damage. Right power door mirror has some scratches. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater control, single stack CD player, interior mirror, instrument cluster, and a tidy vinyl 3-spoke steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.